this is quite personal. This first story is personal. So, this person is a friend, part of my many networks. So you know me, sister, I'm a very convincing person. Come on, go to my center, you'll see this. So I finally convinced this person. She had her executive health screening. She's a very active person and athletic, younger than me. And then after seeing the result,
Mm-mm.
I didn't know what happened because of course I don't look at the result. That's medical records. But
Mm-mm.
after a few weeks, she came to me and she was like teary-eyed. Carmi, thank you for insisting. Thank you for always making kulit. I
Mm-mm.
did my executive screening in your center. I had my CT scan and my heart was 80% blocked,
Oh.
and I was a walking time bomb. So
Oh.
after taking the result, she didn't call me, but she went to the specialist and she was advised to have immediate surgery. And so she was telling me, Carmi, you're an angel. You're an angel because I have been doing my executive checkup, but for many years there's no findings because our center offers CT scan of the heart, and that's the difference. So because we're able to see the blockage in your heart, we're able to determine the level of calcium score, and that's what happens. So every time I see her, she tells everyone, Carmi is my angel. And I said, no, it's God. It's God who made the way for you to try it. And then it's like we're beautifully connected.